Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be working on MS40. It's a walkie stacker you can see behind me. I'm going to show you how to change the load wheels. I haven't seen a video on how to do this on YouTube, so hopefully this will help you guys out. Make sure you put your safety glasses on because we're going to be installing bearings, knocking out pins, and hopefully this will be helpful for you guys. So this is a MS40 SF. These load wheels are pretty bad. So I'm going to show you guys how to change these out. Alright, so I ordered new load wheels, new pins, new bearings, and always order these pins also. This is what locks into your axles to keep from the wheels from falling off. So make sure you always get these, because sometimes when you take these off they get damaged and they'll break. So that's the kit that you're gonna get. And I forgot to mention I also ordered shims, so you're gonna need these to space the wheels out or to make the wheel not move back and forth how you saw earlier on the old ones. Alright, let's install these bearings. Alright, so now we're going to install the bearing. Make sure you don't put it in this way. Make sure you put it in this way. A simple mistake to make. I'm also using a plastic hammer. If you're going to use a metal hammer, I suggest you use a piece of wood or something so you don't damage the bearing when you're installing it. Alright, just like that, your bearing's in. And you can do this for all four. Alright, all the load wheels are done. Next you want to do is take your pin, install your little grease zerk that goes in there. Just to let you know, it's a 5/16 socket. Alright, got all the grease zerks in. This way out. Then you could pop these off and change the wheels and put the spacers and the washers back on. But first, let's jack this up. Alright, so I got a toe jack under this unit right here. Just make sure it's secure, it's not gonna fall. So to knock these pins out, I just use 2 punches, a pair of vice grips. Hold the vice grips with the punch so you don't smash your finger. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you install load wheels on MS40. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was educational. And it does take a little while, so give yourself some time. Like I said, order new pins because if you try to use the old ones, sometimes they don't go back in, especially because we have new pins or new axles for the rollers. So all right, I'm out.